Hi, I'm Gary from organicweb.com.au and I'm a Mailchimp Pro partner. Many of my clients, and perhaps you yourself, have seen some incredible results in regards to the open rates of your marketing emails. Suddenly your open rates are looking absolutely fantastic. Unfortunately, it's probably not true what is going on, but let me explain a little bit further. So we'll go across to Mailchimp itself. You'll notice I'm in Mailchimp in a report. This is just a demo report. But you'll see here we had sort of 7 opens, and often you'll have some really fantastic results. You'll see that your open rates are truly terrific, and you'd think, okay, but last year I was getting an open rate of whatever, 20%, and now I'm getting an open rate of 60%. I'm doing really well. Unfortunately, things changed online. The way emails are handled by various providers. It started with Apple. Now Gmail is doing the same, and Gmail is by far the biggest email provider. What's happening now is when we send that email, it's received by people that use various combinations of Apple devices or Gmail, and Gmail's just starting to do this. And what happens in when you're sending to those providers, Apple, Gmail, they actually cache, they in effect open the email and cache it. So it doesn't mean, or store it for the person, so it's faster for them to load. So it doesn't mean that the actual person you send to has opened it anymore. It just means that a computer, Google, Apple, has opened it. In the past, what would happen is we would send out a marketing email. When a person opened that email, and the way Mailchimp, this is very generally calculated an open rate, and still does, is they have a tiny little image, a transparent image, and when that image is opened, it counts as an open on your report. So the person would get your email, they would open it in Outlook or whatever email reader they use, and when that hidden image opened, it would count as an open. The problem is now Gmail, Apple, and so on, and it's getting wider and wider. They're opening many or most, or if not all, emails they receive. So Mailchimp can't distinguish between a computer opening the email and a human. So unfortunately, those great open rates that you're getting are probably just not true. The thing to concentrate nowadays is really click rates. That's really important. Try and get your click rates as high as possible. Try and get as many people clicking. The best way to do that really is to give a short teaser of your content and make a person click to go somewhere else to view it. Go to your blog, to your website, have a PDF document. So the clicks are what really counts, and those should be measured. But the open rates are, at this time, very unreliable. But thanks for joining me. Please like this video. My name is Gary from organicweb.com.au.